Hey guys, today we are going to install Nextcloud, your own cloud storage. I'm going to run Nextcloud on a Debian 12 machine running Apache web server. All the commands shown will be in the GitHub repo linked in the description. First, let's get started with the basic setup. We'll begin by installing Apache. Once that's installed, enable and check the Apache service. Next, let's install PHP and the necessary modules. Now let's configure PHP. Open the php.ini file and make these changes. Set the time zone option to your local time zone. Increase memory limit to an appropriate size. Set upload max file size to a value matching your needs. Make sure post max size is bigger than upload max file size. Make sure file uploads and allow URLf open are set to on. And display errors and output buffering are set to off. Set cend extension to OP cache. Then under the OP cache section, set a few options to optimize performance. Once done, save and exit the file. Now edit the apcu.ini file and add this line. Restart Apache to apply the changes. Next, let's install MariaDB. Enable and check its status. To have basic security settings applied, run the MySQL secure installation command. Follow the prompts and make sure to set a secure password. Now let's create a new database and user for Nextcloud. Log into MariaDB and set up the database and user. Make sure to use a strong password here. Now we'll download and set up Nextcloud and configure Apache to host it. First, navigate to the var www directory. Download the latest Nextcloud archive. Unpack it and remove the archive file. Then set the owner of the Nextcloud directory to www-data to ensure Apache can access it. Now we'll configure Apache for Nextcloud. Create a new configuration file and fill it in with the details. Remember to replace the domain name and certificate path with your own. Enable necessary Apache modules. Disable the default site. And enable on Nextcloud configuration and restart Apache. Now go to https your server in your browser and complete the setup for your Nextcloud by entering your database and admin details. Nextcloud is installed. Now we'll make some changes to the Nextcloud configuration file. Open the config PHP file. Under the trusted domains area, add your domain name and also change the override CLI URL to your domain name. Also add the following line at the end to enable caching. Finally, add a cron job so Nextcloud can execute its cron PHP. Okay, finally go to administration settings. Under basic settings, make sure to select cron under background jobs. You also can add your email server to receive notifications. You also should adjust the password settings under security for added protection. And that's it. Nextcloud is up and running. You can now set up users, add apps, and further customize your setup. Don't forget to subscribe and like if you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.